Okay, this is the 403 site overview. This is our professional external page that has access to the donation page that's linked already to her stuff, Jen's story, volunteer form where I can volunteer as Greg Anderson and fill out just all of this stuff. Sewing level. And you can fill out a username and password, Smith. And then you can also schedule an event here. You can fill out these. Greg Anderson. Just give out this information. Okay, cool. Thanks. And you can also access each of those pages from these shortcuts. Then down here we describe the Turtle Shell project with pictures. It says what a vest is, why it's important, and how you can help. There's also information about that. There's more information in Jen's story. Then here you can access the back end. The volunteers and admins have different access. So this is a volunteer password 1 2 3, and they have access to come in here and volunteer for different events or decline their volunteering. So if I volunteer for the first 3, then I can volunteer for those. And then if I volunteer as an admin, then it takes me to our internal page, our professional internal page. It has all of these links. Here's our Tableau dashboard that updates live. Here's that view sign up. So now I can view all the people that are signed up. And I was I was putting her in signing up before to do some tests. So you can see that we can know Jamie Smith is signed up for these. So that's great. And then we can access our event maintenance page, which has all the events ordered by pending, by their status, pending, approved, declined, or completed. So it's nice. You can access all of those. And any events we create I created another one before, but all events we create are by default pending. That people that come onto the website create are by default pending, and then there's no information for the outcome of the event because it hasn't happened yet. It's pending. And then, and you can edit these as well. So if I come here and edit Greg's, and I want to make the event actually I want to do both sewing and non-sewing. And then I can come down here and save changes. Now Greg is both. Then we can go to volunteer maintenance. You can see Greg Anderson is here, and he's a volunteer, and all of his information is here. You can edit. Let's make this a 1. Let's make this a 6. You can change his password. And we can see all those things are there. And then user maintenance. These are the admins or users, and you can also edit these very easily, as you can see there, and you can delete them as well. I can show that by deleting that one, and then they're gone. And then I can also delete Greg, and now Greg is gone. Yeah, and so you can view who's volunteered for which ones, and you can remove them. And that's our page here. And yeah, that's all the functionality, all the routes work. It's really powerful because you can, Jen will be able to see who signed up for an event and not track everyone down for events. And we'll be able to then use the dashboard, which updates automatically from the events, and to track how, and also use all the maintenance pages to maintain all the records for everyone.